So today is Saturday morning, and we are going to the farmer's market to show Stephanie the. You wanna talk? Right. So we're going to the farmer's market, and we're going to show Stephanie the organic foods here in the local farms here in Jensan. And then afterwards, we're going to be heading towards Lake Sebu, where we're going to see waterfalls and where Mom and Dad first passed the vinegar. And then Ellie will see all the fun times. Last time Ellie was there was when she was only 6 months old. Now she's 1 year and a half, and she's going to see where the love began. Okay. It's morning and it's 7 a.m. All right. Like and subscribe.
Stephanie packed her bag that dawn with a road map creased and worn to Lake Sebu in the Philippines, where the green hills wake up clean. Brother Alan said, "Come on, sis." Kathy smiled and held baby Ellie. We rolled past rice and morning rain with a prayer soft on the window pane. And the road kept turning wild like a memory calling her by name. She was chasing water, chasing home to a place that still felt like grace. Lake Sebu, take her there. Let the water split the air. Stephanie, hold on tight, ride that fall and feel alright. Alan, Kathy, baby Ellie, standing close, eyes full of glory. Lake Sebu, take.
All right. So we officially just arrived at Lake Sebu. Basically, we drove through the mountains. It's Saturday. Cracked open a cold San Miguel. Yeah, sure. We're here at waterfall number 2. Basically, there's 7 of these. You know, right now we are here. Stephanie just drove. We just got in. It's 12:30. But Ellie's here. She's enjoying her time. Say hi, Ellie. So Ellie we're putting on her shoes. She was crying a little bit, but it's okay. She's now in a better mood because now she's in the waterfalls. So, oh look, dog, look, Ellie, look, there's a dog. See that? Stephanie's getting ready over here. She's over here getting ready. As you can tell, she is relaxed by the red dots on her back. It's her. This is where it all started, Steph. The love story.
Oh, wow.
This is where the love story started. Yeah. Oh, there's the love. Wow. So right now, we're just enjoying the view. Stephanie's out here looking for a place to take pictures, and there she is. Are you enjoying the view? This is waterfall 1.
Ellie, look at the waterfall.
Oh, see? That's Ellie. Where's Ellie? Ellie! How you doing, little one? You okay? Yeah, crying all the time? This is like the view of the first waterfall. There's a lot of people. It's Saturday. They're doing swings.
Ellie, where's Ellie? Elle. Hello. Can you say hi, Elle? Ellie, where are you? There you are.
Alright, so we're walking down to the waterfall 2. As you can see, it's a very rocky terrain here. You gotta watch your footing out here because the thing about the rocks, they move. Dad had to walk this. And so I told him to wear comfortable shoes. And Ellie's enjoying, this is her third time here. So she's enjoying it. I think this is where we took our picture, right, babe? Is the other one? Okay. Yeah, we also, the other picture is the first one. Jeez, I almost slipped on our note. See, we totally skipped the lake tour and we went straight to the waterfalls. This is a first for us. Usually we do the lake tour with the food and the singing and dancing and the ancestral thing, and then we hike down to these, down this trail. But
Wee wee! Go Ellie! Wee! Wee! Where's Ellie? She's here! Ouch! Oh, hot dog! Wow! Wow!
Stephanie packed her bag that dawn with a road map, creased and worn, to Lake Sebu in the Philippines, where the green hills wake up clean. Brother Allen said, "Come on, sis." Kathy smiled and held baby Ellie. We rolled past rice and morning rain, with a prayer soft on the window pane. And the road kept turning wild, like a memory calling her by name. She was chasing water, chasing home to a place that still felt like grace. Lake Sebu, take her there, let the water split the air. Stephanie, hold on tight, ride that far.
So we're going back. Ellie? 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 Where are you? Are you there? You there? Are you there? Ow! Whew. It's a hike.
Your exercise.
Yeah, with the baby. Exercise with the baby.
It's cool. It's fun. So this is the second falls.
yeah.
I like it. I can't wait to see more. But I want to go swimming. It would be fun if we could go swimming. But it's beautiful.
Yep, that's the tallest. You're gonna do the zip lining too?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to. How many zip lining things are there?
I think there's one big one.
Okay.
All the falls.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Do you want to do it with me?
Oh no, man! I think I'm a little too old for it. That's like flying high. Do it
Okay.
alone.
Yeah, I don't mind. Okay. How do you? The only thing is, how do you stop?
There'll be breaks there. You don't stop.
They'll break for you?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the scary part, because in Costa Rica we had to just stop ourselves.
No. What? That's crazy.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm glad it's not too hot and it's nice and cool here. There's no mosquitoes.
Chin, what?
Oh. Okay, that's how we're gonna.
It's whatever. Just walking. So up here we have all the gift shops that's coming up, and they sell all kinds of handmade trinkets, a bunch of Lake Sebu magnets, as always. It's a big thing to do, you know. See, it's all the trinkets and all the You want to try the Coke buko juice?
There's other better ones.
Yeah. A lot of people here. It's packed. Look at this. A lot of foreigners are starting to show up here now. Before it was just Filipinos, but there's people out here. Okay, so we're officially at waterfall number 3 here. And as you can see, oh, there's a monkey. There's the freaking monkeys up here. Finally, we get to see some monkeys. This is the first time I've seen monkeys here. Watch out, they poop. Don't. There he is. There they are, these freaking monkeys. That's who they are. That's the monkeys. 7 falls here.
A lot of bubbles. We have in the car, dami. Like 10.
This is the waterfall that me and Kathy first met. We locked eyes here, and that's when the sex started. Here in this waterfalls. And then now we're out here, and we got a little one. So, oh yeah, they're doing the zip lining. Okay. Here, hold on. Woo! 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 Let's look at the view. Wow, look at the view there, Steph. From there? I don't know. So right now we are at the falls of where me and Kathy first met. 2 years ago we took this big picture. Later did we know that we would get married. This is probably my 4th time here. This is my first time bringing my sister. And so, yeah, it's like a big, thick, wide waterfall. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty wild. There you are. This is the waterfall that... This is the waterfall that me and your mama met. Wow. We met here. This is the waterfall that me and mama met.
Wanna go there? I'm so happy.
Hey, Bubble. Steph, what do you think of this waterfall?
Beautiful.
Huh?
It's not as tall, but it's powerful. It's cool.
Yeah. It's wider. And
Nice and misty.
yeah, definitely nice and misty. Here.
Yeah. That's pretty much it. It's nice and misty. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's not as tall, but still pretty loud. It's nice and misty. Nice picture ops.
Still not, people don't know about this waterfall because it's still not famous on Instagram.
Oh yeah.
It is famous?
I guess now it's getting
It's
pretty
not
famous.
internationally
Lots of people
famous.
know about this, but the thing is that like Filipinos know about it, not international people yet.
Yeah.
Yet.
So, yeah, I think the water has risen a little bit.
Okay.
Because like, well, the original rock, when you came in, the water was low, right?
What?
Yeah. All right, so we just did some video, and now it's Stephanie's turn to do the zip line.
Yep.
Yeah, see, and Ellie. Come on,
Now it's time to zip line.
ready to zip line. Uh-oh. Stephanie's moment of truth. Here we go. It's pretty far, Steph. You're gonna see all the waterfalls. Woo! Stephanie's about to zip line. Go. Whee!
Why don't we go?
Whee! So Stephanie just paid her 350 bucks or 350 pesos to do the zip line. And let me see your ticket. Number 90 and 10. Uh-oh, here he goes. Yay. So where are you gonna head? You're gonna see if you look around, you're gonna see all the different waterfalls.
Okay.
So, but then it's gonna go by fast. You're just gonna be zooming through it. Okay? You're just gonna see all seven.
To, like, find it.
Yeah, you're gonna see all 7 of them. All right. So Stephanie is about to do the deed, and she's tired. Stephanie decided not to wear her glasses. Wave, Steph! All right, good job. Let's go. You're next, Steph. You're 90. Yeah, it's fun. Don't worry, have fun, Steph. You're gonna have a good time. Woo! Oh, it's fun. Because the thing's a break. The break.
Your right before right. Go right. 350 go right.
Creased and warm. Lake Sebu in the Philippines, where the green hills wake up clean. Brother Allen said, "Come on, sis." Kathy smiled and held baby Ellie.
Yeah.
We rolled past rice and morning rain with a prayer soft on the window pane. And the road kept turning wild like a memory calling her by name. She was chasing water, chasing home to a place that still felt like grace. Lake Sebu, take her there. Let the water split the air. Stephanie